Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a table into your Notion template. The first thing you're going to do is make sure that you are clicked somewhere where your prompt is appearing and it's going to say write something or press space for AI/4 commands. We're going to push the forward slash on our keyboard. Once we do that, our basic blocks will populate. We can go down to table. Once we hover over that, you'll get a little thumbnail and it'll show you exactly what we're going to do. Or you can actually type in table and it'll populate to the top. And once we do that, we can see we now have 2 columns and 3 rows. Now you can type in whatever you need into these columns. You do have the option to add more columns and more rows. And you're going to do that by simply going and hovering over to the edge of the table and you'll see this plus button. This is going to add columns. You can click that until you add your columns, and then the same thing with the rows. Now you do have a little toolbar at the top. The options are you can fit this to the width of your template or not. The options you can do a header row and a header column, and this will kind of make the colors different so you can tell that those are like the main things. So if you were doing like months, you would put, the months at the top. And then you also have your 3 little dots where you have your little action buttons, which you could just play around with that. And that is how you insert a table in your Notion template. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.